Just Kadai Squad today. My sister, Alana, made a cat blind bag. And you can get common, rare, and legendary. We did a couple of other videos like this, so you should probably check them out. Okay, let's get opening. See what I got.
So I got yarn.
That's yarn. I thought it was, I don't know why, but I thought it was a piece of paper.
No, it's supposed to be yarn. Like the paper's supposed to look like yarn.
Nice.
Okay.
Ooh, is it a crow? White water. And a fish. Hey, something's in there. What do I open first?
Okay, you
Give
pour,
out the
pour,
instructions again.
pour in the bottle. That's because I could just explain it to you.
I want to eat this.
It smells good, right?
Yeah.
It's scented. Oh, it's scented.
I want to
Yeah.
eat it. Smells like this drink I like.
Wait, don't do that. Just drop it in there. Yeah. You can mix it around with your hand. Forgot your spoon. I forgot to. Oh, what easy.
I don't know.
You can rip it if you want.
Oh no, it's a dead fish. Ooh, is it a collar?
Look, show the collar.
It's got a little diamond. It's like a little diamond collar.
Wow.
What about my spell?
I don't know. You can start, by the way, if you don't want to wait.
Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. Ooh, a black feather now. It was gray, but now it turned black. Nothing seems to be happening.
Just
It
like-
keeps just floating up. See how it's like a balloon?
Yeah. Yeah, fighting.
Oh, yellow water.
Okay, yeah, so I got a rare.
Alright.
But the paint isn't mixing as well as I planned it to.
What's this?
The top glue. So yeah, you can't really tell, but the water's supposed to be yellow.
Ah. Oof. Then I'm gonna hate washing my hands after this. Because I hate getting glitter on my hands.
It's
very
golden paint. So, yeah.
annoying to wash off.
But it was meant to turn the water yellow, so yeah. Are you sure you wanted to touch that with your wet hand?
Oh my gosh, a witch hat. A little witch hat with a little star.
Now your last thing. Dropping in the yarn.
Nothing coming out the yarn. Black stuff's getting on the yarn. Okay, a little bit of blind bag. A little bit of the paper.
No, mix it with the water.
All I did was one wrap. How much did you wrap this?
I don't know.
Is it a witch bambino? Man, I'm impatient for this. I wish you could wrap it up in so much paper. Oh. Not expecting this. But I don't know. A gray cat? Thought it'd be like a witch black cat or something.
Well, if I added black, you wouldn't be able to see the eye. Also, I already made like 3 black cats.
I know. I don't know why, but I was thinking about monkeys.
You might want to wipe your hand though.
So we need his help. It's wet. Oh, it's got a wand?
Look, here's this magic wand. Okay, so Riley's gonna put on the hat and the collar. Here's it complete.